Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we can do it using two different ways, and the very first one is using directly our contact list and the second is using dialer settings. Of course I will show you both. So let's begin maybe with the contacts, let's enter it, and now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Let's tap on this info icon and choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. At the very bottom we've got block contact option, so simply tap on it. Your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so just tap on block. And as you can see, from now on this contact is blocked, so you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this because I would like to check if it will appear on the blacklist. So let's get back, and now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your keypad, recents or contacts. All you have to do is simply tap on the three dots icon again in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on block numbers. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. Above it we've got three another options, three another ways to how to block the number. We can add it manually, we can choose it from recents and also the contacts. I know that previously I've just shown you actually how to block a contact, but this option is a slightly different, I would say, because you don't have to block all of them one by one, but you can select a lot of the contacts, but just by tapping on them they will be selected, and with only, let's say, one click you will be able to block them. You won't have to enter all of those contacts in order to block. But let me get back and let me show you. For example, let's add the phone number manually. Just tap on this space of this space and enter the number you'd like to block. It's as simple as that, and tap on this plus icon right here. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. What's more, we've got the option block unknown or hidden numbers, so after turning it on just by tapping on the switcher, your device won't allow any calls from anyone with a private or unknown number, so it's also quite useful. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. If you'd like to unblock the numbers, all you have to do is just tap on this minus icon right next to them and they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.